The Peloton Interactive Inc. stock holds an SI 14 at 81 and is currently being overbought on RSI. This does not have to be a sell signal, as many stocks may go both long and hard while being overbought on the RSI. It is therefore important to evaluate the history of the share, as it may tell you something about the RSI sensitiveness. Peloton Interactive Inc. stock price up 3.25% on Monday, updated on December 21, 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 10th of December 2020 gained 22.37%. The Peloton Interactive Inc. stock price gained 3.25% on the last trading day, Monday, 21st of December 2020. Rising from $139.84 to $144.39, and has now gained 7 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.16% from a day low at $137.77 to a day high of $144.88. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -20 million shares, and in total, 13 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.81 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $146.26 will firstly indicate a strong rate of rising. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 10.14% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $116.98 and $161.09 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The Peloton Interactive Inc. stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $131.69 and $115.23. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 9, 2020, and so far it has risen 44.38%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Support, risk and stop loss. Peloton Interactive Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $139.84, and this level may hold a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. $139.84, $144.39. This stock may move much during a day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $7.11 between high and low, or 5.16%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.84%. The Peloton Interactive Incorporated stock is overbought on SIF14 and lies in the upper part of the trend. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, but some stocks may go long and hard while being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with the trend position increases the risk, and higher daily movements, volatility, should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Since the Peloton Interactive Incorporated has been rising for 7 days in a row, the risk over the next couple of days has increased. As we cannot be certain with regards to the size of the reaction, we urge caution. Our recommended stop loss, $140.23, minus 2.88%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The SIF14 is 81 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 29 days ago. Is Peloton Interactive Incorporated stock a buy? Peloton Interactive Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Current score, 0.000. Predicted opening price for Peloton Interactive Incorporated of Tuesday, December 22, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 22, 2020. Current price $142.35, $144.39, overvalued, hold, accumulate unchanged. Analyst ratings. Needham & Company LLC is very positive to PTON and gave it a buy rating on December 2, 2020. The price target was set to $125, $140. Over the last 30 days, this security got 1 buy, 0 sell and 0 hold ratings.